How long does it take to refresh stale nuts?
Hello, nut enthusiasts. Today, we'll discuss a common culinary conundrum: how to refresh stale nuts. If you've ever been disappointed by the lack of crunch in an old batch of nuts, you're in the right place.
What causes nuts to become stale?
First off, it's crucial to understand why nuts become stale. Nuts contain oils that can oxidize over time, leading to a rancid taste. Additionally, exposure to air, light, and heat speeds up this process. Therefore, it's essential to store nuts correctly to extend their shelf life. But worry not. If your nuts have lost their crunch, we can revive them.
Refreshing stale nuts, the oven method.
One popular method of refreshing stale nuts is by using an oven. This process should take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Here's how. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Spread your stale nuts in a single layer on a baking sheet. 3. Toast them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to check on them regularly to prevent burning. After cooling, your nuts should be crunchy and ready to eat. But remember, this method can't rescue rancid nuts. If your nuts have a noticeably off smell or taste, it's best to discard them.
Refreshing stale nuts, the microwave method.
For those in a hurry, the microwave offers a quicker alternative. This process takes around 5 to 6 minutes. Here's how. 1. Spread your nuts in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate. 2. Microwave them on high for a minute, then stir. 3. Continue microwaving in 1-minute intervals, stirring each time, for 4 to 5 minutes or until your nuts are crispy. Again, keep an eye on your nuts to prevent them from burning. And similarly, this method won't save rancid nuts. That's it. Now you know how to bring back the crunch to your stale nuts. Whether you're baking, snacking, or topping salads, this trick will ensure you get the most from your nuts. Always remember, though, the best way to maintain the quality of your nuts is by proper storage. So keep them in a cool, dry place and enjoy the crunch.